Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Daily Rant. And today we are going to address what a lot of you have actually commented on the channel, and it's the fact that the end of Windows 10 support will also mean the end of so many PCs that have, unfortunately, not the minimum requirement to move on. So there's many ways people get rid of their computers. Hopefully they will use a recycling program. Hopefully if they do buy a new PC, they can bring it to a store that will actually take care of that old computer, remove the data, and recycle properly. But still, the word recycle is a very difficult word, because what does it actually mean? It depends on where it's going and what is happening. Today still, you might have seen there's a lot of these, poor countries around the world that get all their junk, and you see kids and families and people, kind of getting poisoned by all the crap metals in there. Unfortunately, even though Microsoft uses the word recycle your PC, there's still one problem here. And the problem is that a lot of those PCs that need recycling would be perfect and run Windows 11 okay if it wasn't for the damn minimum requirements. Meaning, we wouldn't have to push people into, maybe putting their computer to garbage, or, making them obsolete, because I know you people out there, some of you watching this are like, well, there's Linux, there's this and that. Yeah, but that doesn't cater for the regular people. You got to understand that. Yeah, your PC can be recycled. I won't throw away this little PC because Windows 10 doesn't work on it anymore. Of course, I'll dedicate it probably to either Chrome OS Flex or to a Linux distro. It'll work. It'll work with something else. But for the majority of people, that's not the way it is. People don't know. And Seagate actually was saying that if your PC has a SSD drive, it is way, way more toxic for the environment than if it had a good old magnetic hard drive with platters and, the little heads that just go around, fetch your data. But it is definitely sad to see that not only are you not giving people ideas of what your PC can do, all you're saying is either recycle or, like I said, for a lot of people, just throw that thing in the garbage. As a tech guy for 15 years, the number of PCs that I recycled in so many ways. Some recycled in, fixing the problem, and then either giving it away or selling it at extremely low price to someone that doesn't have a lot of money for a new PC. That's a great way to recycle a computer, by the way. There was times when, people just threw away things that were perfectly okay, because they just thought that, I got a virus, better buy a new PC. You'd be surprised the amount of people that are like that. But it is unfortunate that this is happening. And I think there should be regulations that would push companies like Microsoft, when they do a new version of Windows, to really make it clear, this is what you could do now with your PC. You don't have to recycle it. You don't have to throw it away. You have these options available. And the worst part of it is Microsoft itself not even capable of telling you right there, straight in your eyes, hey, we've got 1 year of support for $30, or zero patch for many more years of your PC working on Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.